What classes do environmental law students take? If you are curious about what classes students take when they specialize in environmental law, you are in for an informative journey. Environmental law is a fascinating area that blends various legal fields, including natural resources, energy, and administrative law. Students focusing on this specialization typically enroll in a diverse range of courses that equip them with essential knowledge and skills. First, let's talk about core courses. One of the foundational classes is environmental law. This course introduces students to the principles and statutes that govern environmental law, covering both federal and state regulations. Another important class is administrative law, which is crucial because many environmental regulations are enforced by administrative agencies. Next, students often take specialized courses. For instance, classes on the Clean Air Act and Clean Water Act focus on the legal frameworks that govern air and water pollution. Climate change law is another key course, addressing both international and domestic legal frameworks related to climate change. Energy law is also part of the curriculum, where students learn about the legal aspects of energy production, regulation, and policy. Environmental justice is a course that explores how environmental issues intersect with social justice and civil rights. Additionally, international environmental law examines global treaties and agreements aimed at protecting the environment. Land use planning and natural resources law are essential for understanding legal issues related to land management and resource extraction. Water law and ocean and coastal law focus on the legal frameworks that govern water resources and coastal environments. Wildlife law addresses the legal protections for wildlife and biodiversity. Practical skills courses are also a significant part of the program. Environmental law advocacy and litigation teaches students how to advocate for environmental causes and litigate cases effectively. Environmental negotiation and mediation provide skills for resolving disputes through negotiation and mediation. Legal drafting and advanced legal drafting help students develop the ability to draft legal documents relevant to environmental law. Many programs requiring students to complete a substantial research paper on an environmental law topic. This can be done through seminars, independent study, or writing a law review note. These opportunities allow students to focus on specific areas of interest and develop their analytical and writing skills. Choosing to specialize in environmental law can open doors to careers with environmental organizations, government agencies, or private law firms that focus on environmental compliance and litigation. The variety of courses available helps students build broad expertise and prepares them for the evolving field of environmental law.